There's a pull tab right here, easily open. Alright, this is the Rava in all of its plastic glory.
You're a phony!
And let's see if we can find a handle back here. Oh, yeah, there it is. Wow. Who would have guessed that there's a plastic handle? I mean, a fabric handle right here. So convenient. Alright. Alright, Winley. Want to help if I open this? No? Let's do it anyway. Alright. Just slip off the plastic. There's a little emergency kit. No, actually it's a booklet with emergency information that you can write onto this booklet. Okay. Wow, this feels pretty nice. Soft. You can remove this thing apparently. Oh. Oh, it goes up. Okay. Feels like seat belts. This little tag just unties. Rava. Simple 3-step install. You got this. Reveal the true tension door. Open true tension door and buckle vehicle seatbelt. Okay. Interesting.
Yeah.
Where are the scissors at? Has one of these annoying little plastic things. Sweet. I guess this is the seat.
The infant seat.
Oh. Okay. It says how to. It shows how to install the infant insert. Oh, I just take it out.
Okay.
All right.
No.
You wanna have a seat, Winley? You wanna try? You think? You wanna try? Huh?
No.
No? Too bad. Ah ha 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 ha.
Wow, you're sitting on a car seat. A fake car seat now. Winley.
How old are you, Winley? Huh?
The thing is too high. The headrest is too high. And the
I see.
seatbelt harness is too high.
That's fine, alright. Huh? Think that look good?
Basically.
How's it feel? Huh? You're 17 months, right?
She's not 17 months.
How many months is she then? 16?
Huh?
Ah,
No, she is. She's born in March.
16 months? Thanks for watching the unboxing of this Nuna Rava. If this video helped you make your decision to get a car seat, please like, subscribe, or comment below telling me what you decided to go with. Thanks.